Okay, hey guys, Marsha over here. This is like take 2 of the video. Um, but like, it was just kind of bad. And I'm just doing an adventure right now, and I just got the gold egg, but it wasn't that good. Like the prizes, yeah. And I waited so long. Oh, I didn't even see that one. 51 eggs. Yeah. There's like this one place where everyone's going, but I don't know where. Oh. I wanna find another flower. Oh, I got another treasure chest. Oh, is it something? It is! Oh, I found where everyone's going, I think. Help. Help up, ha ha ha. Help up, you know. Tomorrow, I love you. Tomorrow, you're always in the hour. Splash, 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 splash. In the water! No, don't leave me. Don't leave me. Oh, thank you. Help me, or us, help us. Someone come. Someone come. Oh yeah. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Okay. Find more. Help. Oh. No, you're supposed to help me. No. Help me now. Fine, just don't want to help. Help. Do more. Help. I need two more. I am recording. recording a YouTube video. I probably won't be able to post that. Oh, I knew it. No, don't leave me, don't. Oh, so now you want help? Oh, wow, that's just mean. So you want to come to me, but now I'm coming to you. You're lucky I'm not. Oh, no, that's not the same guy. A giant kind. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Oh, the little ducky. One more. I don't want any other. Just a few dozen more to go. Oh, 100. No one wants to play scissors. Doy. I need help. I need help. Owl, I need help. I need help, little owl. Help. Up here. Rose petal. Oh, I spelled petal wrong. Yay. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, thank you. Wait, I want to be buddies with her. She's nice. Hey, man, I want to be buddies. Just have to do it the hard way. Yay! Hey, you want to be friends? Yay! Smash your game. Oh, yeah. Okay. So, let's see. I just have to get to 100. 100. I don't know how I got here. Oh, never mind. I know. I really know. I really know. I really know. Oh yeah. Usually that means there's a flower over here if it says like if you have water. I need my treasure twist. Blub 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 blah 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 blah. get out of this place. It's not funny. It's not funny. Just kidding. It is funny. Oh, I don't know if it's funny or not. Okay? Okay. That's not my Miranda voice. It's adorable. But do you want to hear my Miranda voice? Oh, yes you do. Yes you do. These are my Miranda voice. You like it? You like it? Yes. I'm going to like it. Okay. Whoa, I just went through a house, I think. Well, like, through it, not like going to do it, go out to do it, going to do it, go out to do it. I need that other twist. I think the other twist is over here. Just kidding. I'm not gonna get stuck there again. Okay, I'm just leaving. I'm on level 0. What? You're kidding me, right? Why wanna leave? Why wanna break them? I'm gonna redecorate my den. Oh, it's leprechaun. Or it's kinda St. Patrick's Day. Oops, kinda forgot to redecorate. No more Easter. I wasn't even on this for Easter. So. Move out of the way. I don't care if my den is the leprechaun or St. Patrick's Day. Yay! Everyone wanted to go on this one. Yes. Oh, yes. It's great. I need to. Yes. I think so. Yes! Oh, I'm so awesome. Oh, do you have to dance? Beavers are the largest rodents. False. Wait, no, that's true. But they aren't rodents, right? I switched to true. Don't you see? No. Yes. I knew it. Arctic, no, wait, come on. Arctic Fox is the one. No, that's false. Wait, Arctic Fox is oh my goodness, everything's true. Bats don't help control it. Oh wow, so then when I switch it's false. Wow, finches are pesky and annoying farmers. Wait, no. I like this game. American alligators have faced extinction before. No, false. Just kidding, I don't like this game. Party. Really? Well, that's like an opinion. Can't really know if it's true. No, they aren't creatures. Bats have weak chest and shoulders. Getting all wrong. No! What? Oh, next round. I'm like, I can't play anymore? Gorillas are mainly vegetarian. Okay, yes. It's false. Oh, never mind. Just joking. Oh, you start dancing whenever you get it right. Oh. Camels are not related to llamas. False. That's false. Because I did a book report on llamas.